Hello everyone, I'm Simeon Grace and you're watching Kharis tutorials on Africa TV. Today I'll be taking us on how to sew a double-breasted jumpsuit. The base of our jumpsuit is a Palazo jumpsuit, and in our last class we've done the cutting. All we'll be doing today is the sewing. Here I have the back, I have the front, which is the half length, and the first thing we're going to do is to join with the lining. Starting with the back, I have the lining placed on it, and the first thing I'm going to do is to run a sewing on the neck design. I'm going to join, I'll notch, and I'll top stitch on the lining. After that, I'll close the zip side and also the side, that's the bust and the under bust circumference. I'll close the side as well. Whatever I'm doing here is what I'll be doing on the other parts of the back body. So let's start. To bring out the darts, I'm going to measure 5.5 inches from the middle. That's plus the folding, that's the zip allowance we added to it. So 5.5, and from the shoulder, I'm going to measure down 9 inches. That's to the bust point. So I'm going to bring out my darts from here, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. At 5.5, and I'm going to measure down 9 inches. That's where the dart is going to stop. So my dart goes this way. That's the back. Now we move to turning the front. So the next thing I'm going to do on the front is to close the sides as well. I'm going to turn it inside out. And the next thing I'll be doing from here is to close this. I'm going to place this on it. Now it's going to overlap by just 4 inches. I'm going to measure the 4 inches. 4 inches. This is my 4 inches. So the fabric is going to come from 4 inches, that's the one underneath. 4 inches. All right, so I'll hold this down, and the next thing, I'll join the shoulder, bringing the back together. I'll join the shoulder. Okay, this end and this. So let's join the shoulder first. After that, we'll close the base of the half length in order to attach the base of our jumpsuit to it. So we attach the front to the front and we attach the back to the back. But first, let's join the shoulder. To join the shoulder, I'm going to bring the two together and I'll use the lining to turn. To attach the front, first I'm going to join this before attaching it, and that of the back, I'm going to measure my zip space and join the rest before attaching it to the back. The next is fixing our zip. I'm using an invisible zip, so first I'm going to place it and I'll run my sewing. To fix your invisible zip, you can use your invisible foot to achieve that. So we've done this, and in case you don't have one, just you can just make use of your normal foot. So having done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring out the shape from the sides, and I'm going to measure. You can Remember to iron and weave all necessary parts as you sew. So bringing out the shape, we have the bust measurement of 32 inches. Divided by 2, we have 16 inches. Let's see what we have here. Here I have 19 inches. That means I have 3 inches excess. I'll share that on both sides. That will be 1.5 and 1.5. The under bust measurement of 12. And the under bust circumference measurement is 26. Divided by 2 is 13. Here I have 15 inches. That means I have 2 inches excess. That will be 1 inch and 1 inch. The waist measurement of 28 inches divided by 2 is 14. And here I have 17 inches. So 17 inches, that means I have 3 inches excess. Then I have 1.5 and 1.5 inches. The hip measurement of 34 inches divided by 2, 17 inches. Here I have 20 inches, that's 3 inches excess. I'm going to share that too, that's 1.5 and 1.5. So from here, I'm going to take it straight down. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do from here is to fold the base of the jumpsuit. So first I'll fold the base of our jumpsuit, then I'll bring out the measurements. At the base we have 18 divided by 2 is 9, and the upper tie 22 divided by 2 is 11 inches. So I'll join it straight and down to the other side. So I'm folding in with 2 inches. So I'm going to start closing it from the middle, first to one side, then to the other side. Okay, so to fix the sleeve, first I need to measure the shoulder measurement. This is the sleeve, and first of all, I'm going to slit this, and I'm just going to measure 5 inches. This is my 5 inches slit. And all I'll just do here is to use another fabric to turn it inside. So I'm going to start by joining from here, and I'll turn it inside. I'll go round, then I'll turn it inside. That's the first thing. So let's do that first. I'm going to fold to bring out the round sleeve measurements, and that is 5 inches. The round sleeve is 10 divided by 2 is 5 inches. So whatever I've done here, I'll repeat the same on the other sleeve. Bringing the two joint parts, that of the sleeve and that of the jumpsuit, bringing it together, I'm going to turn and I'll join the sleeve to the jumpsuit. So that's the final thing. We've come to the end of our sewing today, and I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also click on the notification button in order to get notification for our new videos. I remain Simeon Grace. You can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class, stay cool.